Hello, Vector here, and today I'm going to discuss cones. Yes, cones. So, if you haven't seen my video on boxes, I do suggest you watch that. You might even want to watch that before watching this one. But yeah. So cones. So when making a cone, you with the mouse, because you make a cone with the keyboard entering values in. But you click, drag, and you have the radius, and you lift up and until you get the height that you want, and you can either drag. Uh, wait, hold on here. Okay, yeah. So lift. So once you get the height you want, you can do the second radius or the height value. So sorry, the tip value for the tip. So you if you want the cone to be well, more like say I don't know, a funnel, except for obviously it's not hollow, but something like that. Or you can have it more of a traditional cone shape, make a cone and then make it into an ice cream cone later on. Some cones, are pointed, some are not. Okay, so that is one way, and of course, that was the center, and this is the edge where it's similar, but as you see, it's coming out from the point that I clicked instead of expanding from all sides from the point on which I clicked. But otherwise, it's the same difference. Um, so as usual, here are the x, y, and z coordinates that you can put for it. You can play with that. So if we have the radius for one is your bottom radius. So if you want that at 25, I'm just putting numbers out there, easy numbers to remember. And the top radius you can have at I don't know, 5. Just keep it in multiples of 5, just because I can. and then I let my computer think for a second, and there you go. That's how you enter values for this. And of course, you can go down here and edit a few things. So we have 5 for the height segments and 1 for the cap. Now, for the height, let's here. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course I am referring to the viewport at the top right. It's nice and big, so as you see, there are 5 squares here, and each of these is a segment. And if we go to the top-down viewport, or the one on the top left, you can see for the height, or is it? Yeah, height. The cap segment is 1, and if you look over here, you see that there's only that there's no division here, so that is just one segment. Well, let's change this. And now you have 4, because I just put in 4. And, you can hopefully you get the idea. But, yeah, so that's that. And of course, sides refers to how many uh oops. Okay. Yeah, so if you were to count each of these boxes along the side here, you'll count 24, and that's what it's referring to. So of course, if we change that, let's half it, just because, and it's halved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. And smoothing off, you get this. With so few segments, it looks rough either way. So if we were to move that back to 24, it looks smoother. And well, in any case, I hope you can see the difference. I really noticed the difference. And if you've seen my section on spheres, you'll know what slicing does, but I'll cover it real fast. So if we have if we have a slice from 0 to 45, that probably isn't the um, best choice because it's not easily viewable. So if we have 0 to 90, and we come back here and do from 45, so it's 45 to 90. Okay, wrong direction still. Let's do 100 to 200. And now it's actually becoming more visible. So yeah, we can do 180. Anyway, that hopefully will give you some idea. It and slicing, that there are times when you want to subtract from an object, and there are certainly other ways to go about it as well, but that will give you a basic as far as cones go. So I hope you enjoyed. And this is Revector. Hoping to see you next time. So until then, bye.